Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today we're going to be doing a cook, one of my favorite cooks, Korean style short ribs. We're going to do it up on the Weber kettle out here at the Rshack. So let me get the kettle going and we'll get into this. It shouldn't take that long for these to cook, so let's go for it. Here we got our short ribs taken out of the marinade, ready to go out and put them on that grill. Okay, so I've got the short ribs on the grill there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook them for about 5 minutes on a side indirect, flip them over, do 5 more minutes indirect. Then I'm going to throw them directly over the heat. It'll take maybe a minute just to kind of sear it on each side and they'll be done. So let's see how they turn out. we got those done. They look amazing. They smell so good. Let's get them inside and give them a taste test. What do you say? So here's the finished product over a bed of rice. We got our Korean style short ribs, beef short ribs. Let's give them a taste. Get some of this rice on here. Cheers. Yeah. I do like that marinade. That is so good. So these are like when they take the beef ribs and they just cut down the length of the rib and they just slice it into about a 1/4 inch thick. So the bones are real small, as well as your meat strips. So that's what these are. They're the beef short ribs, and they're excellent for grilling. They just grill up so nice and quick. You saw what I did there. Put them on indirect for about 5 minutes each side. Then I flipped them over to direct. Did about a minute, minute and a half on each side. Just kind of wanted to get a char on them, and they just came out beautiful. This is so good. I love these. I went to a party and a fella made these, and I had to get the recipe from him, and he gave me the recipe and told me how he did them, and I tell you, I just love making them up. It's so easy, and they come out so good. The rice, just a basic sticky rice that I did on the stovetop. So anyhow, you know, as I always say, thank you for watching. You can do this too. Grill on, my friends. Till next time.